Hi, I'm Ken Shelton, or shall I say Sawubona. I am so much looking forward to the Innovate EDU conference this year. It's going to be such a wonderful event. I can't wait to get back down to South Africa, make lots of new friends, and hopefully see some of you that I've seen in times past in previous trips. So, my sessions for the conference are going to focus on two major areas. One is a session on how to develop, design, and implement culturally responsive learning environments. I think one of the big things for us to look at is the impact the culture of our learning environments has on both us as educators as well as on our learners. And then the second session that I'll be doing is looking at school or systems and institutions from a design perspective. So it's kind of design thinking, but design thinking oversimplifies it. It's going through a cognitive process where we look at several thematic areas and then deconstruct those areas and then design for those. So, for example, one of the two major thematic areas I always like to focus on are learner wellness and learner empowerment. And the key with that also is to recognize that learner wellness and learner empowerment are not limited to just the educator in the room. They're also site administrators, school leaders, department chairs across the board. It's literally the entire system and institution of your school or your school system. So I'm looking forward to the sessions, the conference, and returning back down to South Africa. So I hope to see you all there. If you haven't purchased a ticket yet, please do so, and quite frankly, encourage a friend to join you. So look forward to seeing you all at some point soon. Niabonga.